Let us continue with the story of the grandma and her laddoos. We left off with the question of how many laddoos grandma had to make. If you haven't already watched our previous video with the story of the grandma, please click the card visible on the top of this video. Let's assume she made 100 laddoos. If 2 of her grandchildren came to visit her, each of them would get 50 laddoos each. But if 3 of them came to visit, it would not be possible to divide the laddoos equally, as we all know that 100 is not completely divisible by 3. Similarly, 1000 is also not divisible by 3. What about 1200? Yes, 1200 is completely divisible by 3 and also by 2, 4 and 5. Which means that no matter how many of her grandchildren came to visit her, they would each get equal number of laddoos. But can the grandma make 1200 laddoos? It seems highly unlikely that she would make that many laddoos all by herself. So maybe she made a smaller number of laddoos. But before we go further, let's consider the number 1200 again. It is completely divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 5. So can we say that 1200 is a common multiple of 2, 3, 4 and 5? Yes, of course. Our task now is to find out the smallest common multiple of 2, 3, 4 and 5. In mathematics, we call this number the least common multiple, or simply LCM. We are going to learn more about LCM soon. The story of the grandma was the introduction that should motivate the students to actively take part in the learning process. What we discussed in this video is a prelude to the second step, where we begin the teaching process. This is where we will choose the most suitable strategy to understand the concept of LCM and how to translate it into something students can easily grasp and learn. Don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you.